In a small village, there lived a humble farmer. His clothes were worn out, his hands rough from years of hard work, and his face carried the marks of struggle. Yet, even as the sun dipped low, he continued working in his fields with quiet determination. Life was never easy, but he never gave up. One night, after finishing his work late, the farmer began walking home. His path led through a dense, dark forest. With him, he carried a small, dim lantern that lit only a few steps ahead. The night was silent, mysterious, and full of shadows. As he walked, the farmer grew frustrated. Holding up the lantern, he sighed. "This light is so weak. It only shows me a few steps. I wish it could light the whole path. What if I get lost in this darkness?" Just then, an old traveler appeared, walking with a stick. His smile was kind, and his eyes shone with wisdom. He joined the farmer and said, "My friend, do not complain. This lantern is enough. You don't need to see the entire path. You only need enough light to take the next step." The farmer listened carefully as the lantern's warm glow lit only a few steps ahead. He realized the traveler was right. Slowly, step by step, he moved forward, trusting the little light he had. And with each step, the path unfolded. At last, the farmer reached his small, cozy hut in the village. The lantern's glow had safely guided him through the forest. As he stepped inside, he felt peace in his heart. The next morning, the farmer worked in his field with a new spirit. He sowed seeds, watered his crops, and smiled under the sun. His heart was no longer filled with doubt, but with hope and faith. Months passed, and his hard work bore fruit. The once empty fields were now filled with golden crops ready for harvest. The farmer stood proudly, holding the same lantern, no longer just a source of light, but now a symbol of hope, faith, and perseverance. And so, the story of the farmer's lantern teaches us this. In life, we do not need to see the whole path. We only need enough light to take the next step. With patience, faith, and determination, we will always find our way. Moral of the story: just like the lantern, hope guides us one step at a time. Trust the journey, and you will reach your destination. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational stories. And tell us in the comments what keeps your lantern of hope burning.